welcome back. Now today I wanted to do a haul for the bathroom, which isn't actually a bathroom, it is a shower room. So whenever I say bathroom, I mean shower room, but it just flows naturally for me to say bathroom. We've nearly finished the bathroom and I don't want to just go ahead and straight in and do a reveal without showing you the pieces that I've bought for it. So in the bathroom we are going for a Japandi style, so that is incorporating the Japanese style with the Scandinavian style. Now, in my old home, I always wanted to try and keep the Scandinavian vibes in it. It was a new build and I felt like that really modern look fitted right in with the modern home that I was living in. But now we've moved into the renovation project, hence the mess, so please excuse the environment that I'm in because I don't actually have anywhere designated that I can film at the moment. There isn't a total mess, so please bear with. But now we're in an older period property. Well, it's not period, it's built in the 1940s. I do feel like I kind of want to bring that more homeliness into the home with the Japanese style and the Scandinavian style together. So that's what I've tried to create here in the bathroom. I kind of want to run through the different pieces that I have bought so that if you wanted to incorporate Japanese and Scandinavian, aka Japandi, into your home, these are kind of the bits that you could pick out. Now, I'm filming this on the 6th of October 2021, so these things are currently in the stores, but if not, then at least these could give you some inspiration for you to go and find similar pieces whenever you decide to watch this video. So, I'm going to dive straight in. Most of my pieces are from Dunelm, B&M. We've also got HomeSense, eBay and IKEA. So I'll start going through some of the pieces. So I really wanted to get some amber bottles. So in the Japandi style, you've got the Japanese, which incorporates very chill, calming vibes, but it does incorporate a lot of darker colours like blacks and dark woods. I love light colours, but I do like the vibe of the black and the darker earthy tones as well, as I'm getting a little bit, more mature and coming into sort of an older property. So I really love the look of the amber bottles. So these will be going on the shower shelf that we've got, and you'll be able to see them when I do my bathroom reveal. So got these three, so I thought the biggest one for shampoo, shower gel, and then my conditioner in there. And then I got this cute cane, it's fake, so I think it'd be perfect to go in the shower itself. Basket here from B&M. I can't remember how much it was, but it was only £6, and it came with a holder as well, but I preferred the holder in the other room. So this is for the actual shower. Now for the bathroom itself, I'm going for neutral but calming tones, so I'm going for the creams, the beiges, the whites, the blacks, the woods. And there's not really going to be much like other colour in there. So I've got the cream towels these are from Dunelm. So I've got two of those. Now I also wanted some texture, so I've decided to go for the waffle type towel as well, and these are in the colour mushroom. So they kind of go together, so got sort of balance out each other as well. So you've got a bit of texture and a bit of soft creams here with the towels. So as I was saying, I wanted to bring in some of those darker colours as well. So instead of having hand towels, I thought I would get these cute little tea towels. I have just noticed though, I think they're navy. But I do still think that they could work well under the sink. So if you're looking for something to dry your hands with, then these give just a little bit of pattern and texture, and I think they do give off kind of like Japanesey type vibes as well. So they go with them. Now I absolutely love this piece from Dunelm. So it is kind of like a bathroom caddy, and this does look like it is actually woven compared to that one, and I just think it's absolutely gorgeous. And for the price, it was really cheap. It's a tenner. That's a tenner, and it looks handmade. It probably is handmade, but it's beautiful. I absolutely love that. So not these bottles, but if I want to keep bottles in there, and perhaps some flannels and things like that, I absolutely love that. It's probably one of the favourite things that I have. Going in with the sort of bamboo type products now. I'm absolutely obsessed with this. It's a bamboo hand pump with the black. So you've got the black accents there with the bamboo, and that's for toothbrush, 2 toothbrushes and toothpaste. And then to go along with that, then I've got the bamboo tray. And again, these are all so affordable. I think I spent like £100 in Dunelm, but I got so much for that £100. So this was a £5, and then these just slot in like that. Like, how cute is that? It's so gorgeous. And then I also got this flower pot, which I'll probably put some dried flowers in there to go alongside it. And I just think it just, yeah, you got the Scandinavian vibes here, and then the Japanese vibes with the bamboo and the black head. And then I didn't buy a bath mat, which I'm kind of regretting, because now that we've actually tried the shower, there is lots of water coming out of the side of it, which kind of needs some sort of bath mat. But I bought this one. This was probably the most expensive thing I bought from Dunelm, and I'm not even sure if I'm going to be able to use it. But if not, I'm going to put it under the vanity unit and have it like step up for the sink. So like, when the floor's really cold, you can just stand on this. So this was £18, and it's bamboo duck board, and I just absolutely love this. I can't wait to put this on our tiles on the floor, which are a sort of light wood effect tile. But that is one of my favourite things, and I'm worried that I'm not even able to use it. But you can kind of see the vibe I'm going for here. It's kind of like the accessories, because we've got quite a lot of black and quite a lot of white and quite a lot of beige in the bathroom already in terms of the tiles. Lastly, from Dunelm, I thought with all this wood it needed some sort of black flower pot there, and this will probably go on the windowsill. Again, I think I'll put dried flowers in these, maybe like terracotta colour one, just to give it the only hint of colour in there will be something that's coming out of the black vase. But that was £12 from Dunelm. I just love that. Again, £12. So that is my last bits and bobs from Dunelm. So then I went to B&M, and I obviously got this. I also got these really cute like candle holders. Now, I'm not really sure what I'm going to do with them, because initially I was thinking of attaching them to the wall and then sticking one of those battery powered lights, puck lights under there, and having them as little wall lights. But I've since then bought wall lights, and I'm not sure what I'm going to do with these. But again, they're just so cute. Like, you could stuff them with cotton pads or ear cleaners, whatever they're called. But they were £3 each, and I absolutely love them. In the bathroom, we've got quite a narrow bit of wall over where the sink is going, so we wanted to get a rectangular with curved edge. We decided to go for a rectangular mirror here with rounded edges. This one was only £10 from B&M, but we will be getting a bigger one soon. I also got these amazing prints from Desenio, which I think will finish it off perfectly. So guys, that is my bathroom haul. I hope you have enjoyed, and I shall see you all in the next video, which is my bathroom reveal. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you then.